Today I intend to show you the Fast API in Flash Web Guides. So uh, normally if you use Fast API already, you can display on web. But if you want to display on the computer's GUIs, you can use Flash Web GUIs. So in this video, last video I already showed you the Flash API in WebSocket. Now I use Flash GUIs in WebSocket. Now I try to start a project, and you can see this how it works. And this will display the video. So I try to start it in webcam first. And if you run on a webcam, you use this is one. Because I use the webcam number one, USB webcam. So I will try to start this now. Let's see. Let's check from here. Because I'm doing on the Flash web queues, so it will start the server on port. Let me see from here. Port and heart. 3000, I think. I try to start it locally first, and I show you the cost later. So if you use this on web, so you see the rectangle here, because I try to put the CV2 draw on the drawing here. So I disable this. Let's save this and try to refresh the page again. Yeah, I need to refresh the web server. Start it again. No, and then you check from here. So it start on the port is 61065. So if I want to start it in the local area network, I will try to configure it later and try to start it. Okay, now if you use the fresh guide, you can display is on website rather than it you display in their applications. So if you use local computer, you don't need to use the web browser. You can display it in the application like this. It's a very nice application, I think. So it's because you can display it over web or over applications. So what I'm doing, I try to display it over another, like I try to change something from here. So I intend to use, I will change the host address. Okay, from here. So if I run it in the port 8000 in host, let me try this. And then say what happened with this. Server fast APIs. Server fast API, we need to put is inside this. What happens? Expect this. Hot. Let me check this. I try to stop the server and try to change something here and see what happens. Start. I don't understand what is wrong here. Let me try to remove this. Maybe this. Okay, I would fix the problem later. I intend to run it in host, another host IP address. Let me try start it. Let me try to start it, and again I try to run this. See what happens. Nothing's okay. I will check it later. So now we try to start localhost. Okay, now I try to use the object detection on this. I copy to main number ones, and from here, from Ultralytics, I will update the links of course into your my video so you can download and see. Ultralytics, import YOLO, and you use here if not breaks. Yeah, and from here I will put models. Let me copy this models and results. Models text frames. Okay, models What problem with here? Model predict frames. Model. Model can predict result models. Okay, now I try to start this. No. Let me try to check what wrong with the frame. Model dot predict frames divide 0 frames camera dot read application stop it. I try to run this one first. It's okay, but if I run this model yolov8, I try to start this. Uh, okay, it's displayed webcam, but if I try to start in by my videos, what happened with this? Is there password? Nothing's. There's something abnormal. Okay, already here. But let me see object detections. There are no object detections. Check is main number one. Model result predict frames divide 0 low. We're waiting for some time. The video will automatic update, but the I forget from here frames. I need to draw the object detection from here, and then I need to change the port because port 3000 from here I will. Okay, I try to use this configurations. Fast API server. I use this. Try to use this one. Okay. Okay, if I put like this, then no error from here, and you put 8000, and let me try to change host. Run this again, and waiting for some time. Video start. Okay, now I already complete displays the web display by use a flash. Let me open this long one 8000. Okay, okay, I'm successful with using flash web. Let me see, flat web guide displays object detections. Let's check HTML files. If you use flash web guide, you need to do some small thing from here. Index. I think the same with Flash APIs. They don't change anything from here. Now, from your local network, and you can you can access the object detection. So if you want to design one camera for object detections, and then you can do this like this. You use Raspberry Pis with fixed camera, and you can use your local device to access and then see object detections. Yeah, guess HTML, HTML, checkpoint, close server. So Flash Web Guide is for displays both HTML file or local displays. In key, your smartphone to displays. Let me see. Example, I want to open one more web client. Okay, and I also display everything from here. You can see many clients connected with the web socket server. Thank you very much. I already finished demonstrate the fast AP web guides and fast APIs, WebSocket video transfers. Okay, the project is already complete now. I close the projects.